Perfect.
Hey there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be talking about makeup. So I've been seeing the hype and all the reviews about the new JUVIA'S foundation, so of course you know I had to get it for myself and try it out because it is hot. Like, it is so hot, and you know, just the thought of wearing makeup and when it's hot, you know, just mind blown. But I still want to have makeup on and, you know, wear it here and there. So I'm all about trying different foundations that, you know, could possibly work out in this heat, not make me look oily, not make me look sweaty. So I was like, okay, well, let me try it out and see it for myself. I went to Ulta a week ago and I went to see if they had it there, but they hadn't put it up yet. So this is the Masquerade mini palette, and as you can see, it is so beautiful, y'all. See those colors? I had to go back and get another one because Tristan was playing with it. He thought they were crayons, so he destroyed the other one, but I went back and got another one. So I'm gonna put some of these on my eyeshadow. This is not what that video is about. The video is about the foundation, but I do plan on doing a tutorial using their palette and all their makeup because I've heard great things about the whole line. This is my first time actually trying JUVIA'S Place, so I'm super excited and super geeked to try it out. But today we're going to focus on the foundation because I'm sure there are probably people out there who feel the same way as far as wearing foundation and makeup when it's super hot outside. You know, what's the best foundation, what's the best thing to use? So what I want to do in this video, I want to of course try this on to see how the coverage is and how it looks on my face for anyone who is interested in buying it. And then I'm going to test it out in this weather because right now it is 92 degrees. It's only going to get hotter. So I want to see how this foundation will work in the heat and if it looks good still after a couple of hours and my face doesn't look like it's melted off using this foundation, then of course you know I highly recommend it. So without any further ado, let's jump into the review. The reviews I've been seeing, of course, some have been sponsored, some have been like people actually trying it. So I am actually trying what I bought because, you know, I just want to give people an honest and a real review. I mean, it looks good. Like, the foundation looks really good on everybody. So from a regular person's standpoint, I just want to see how it looks on me, and hopefully it will possibly and of course look good on you. So I got number 150 in Cano. So I swatched this one and Kenya because those two were around my ranges. So I was like, okay, well, Cano looks really good. Like, I mean, it looks really good on my hands. So I was like, okay, hopefully it will look good on my face. So I got Cano and I am super excited to try it. When it comes to like makeup on a daily basis, like, just give me foundation, eyebrows, mascara, eyeliner, and lip gloss, and I'm good. So, you know, with it being hot, you know, I like wearing powder foundation, but lately I've been wearing liquid foundation, and I'll do a whole video talking about my favorite videos. I actually did one like 3 years ago talking about my favorite foundations to wear in hot weather, in the summer weather. So I'll do an updated one because I have two so far before this that I really love and that make my face look flawless. So I'll definitely do a video about that. So first I'm going to apply my Smashbox Photo Finish, and I love this primer because it looks really good. Like, it makes my face feel and look good before I apply my foundation. Before, I used to put my spray on. I'll spray my Fix Plus on first, but ever since I started using this, like, I absolutely love it. I did want to get the Fenty filter one, but the way my coins were set up at that time, that wasn't happening. So this one, it does what it needs to do. Don't y'all hate when y'all put on foundation and like it like cracks right here? Like, I don't know what to do about that. Like, I put powder right here. I'll explain that in a whole other video. Let me stay on topic. This is the foundation brush that I use. This is by Eco Tools. I'll leave everything linked down below, but this is my favorite foundation brush that I love to use. I got it straight from Target, and it's literally like one of the best brushes that I love use. how I know that a foundation has good coverage, and I've mentioned this to you guys before, I have burnt marks on my face. So this one was from the curling wand. This one is from a mold that I had on my face, and the big guy tried to freeze it with one of those freezing things. It left a mark. And then this one is from burnt grease. So if a foundation or powder foundation can cover those things, that's good coverage. So if this foundation could cover these marks, that's good coverage. So let's see.
Perfect. Perfect.
So as you guys can see, my spots are covered. I got a little bit on here. Yeah, so that means it has really good coverage, because if it can cover those marks that just won't seem to disappear, you know, without layering. And that was just one layer of foundation. So the fact that it covered my spots with one layer, that's good coverage. So far so good. Like, I like it. Yeah, because it's lighting. The lighting gets really weird when it's like zoomed in and zoomed out. So like I said, I mean, that's just one layer, because I know, you know, some people, they add like 3 different layers just like that. But me, it's hot, y'all. It's just hot. I just like to keep it simple and keep it moving. So that, okay, that's some good coverage right there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing a light beat on my face. But that, yeah, so far so good on this one.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so that is my complete look. Like I said, I just want to focus on the foundation, so I didn't add like my concealer and contour and all that because like I said, it is hot. So it is hot, so I didn't want to do like a whole beat face, so I didn't do my concealer or my contour and all that. But I can definitely do a whole full beat video for you guys if you guys would like to see that. But in this video, I just want to focus on the foundation just to see how the coverage is and how it works in hot weather. So like I said, I'm going to go out because we're planning to go out this afternoon and all that. So I'm going to let you guys know how it looks on my face, and I'm going to come back on here and show you guys, like, because I sweat, I sweat, I get high and all that. So after I go outside into the devil's playground, I will show you guys how the foundation still looks on my face, and that will confirm if this is worth the buy or not. So far it's good, but we just gonna test it out. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Let me know if there are any other requests that you guys would like to see. I will definitely be bringing more makeup content to you guys, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so it is 10 o'clock at night, so I just want to give you guys an update on the foundation. So far it still looks good. So like I said, I'll be doing a full face with the eyeshadow, so like that, concealer and all that coming soon, and I'll do my favorite foundations to use in hot weather. It's like that, but this is definitely a foundation that I will add to my favorites for the hot weather. So that is an update. I'll leave the link down below so you can get yours and get your life, and I'll see you guys in the next one.